Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Uber Eats promo not applied. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you want to do is double check the expiration date of your promo code. Sometimes codes have a limited time window, and if it's expired, it won't work. Make sure your code is still valid before moving on. Next, confirm that the items in your cart are eligible for the promo. Some codes are specific to certain items or restaurants. Check the terms and conditions of the promo to ensure you got the right items for the discount. Then, update your Uber Eats app to the latest version. Sometimes outdated apps can cause glitches, and updating might solve the problem. Simply head to the App Store or Play Store, search for Uber Eats, and hit that update button. Finally, give your account a quick refresh by logging out and then logging back in. This simple action can often reset any temporary issues and make your promo code work again. So that's basically how you can fix Uber Eats promo not applied. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.